Hi, this is Irvin from Resilience Occupational Therapy. Today is the second video I'm doing talking about foam rollers. I don't talk about foam rollers a lot because I think they tend to be a bit of a sort of shotgun approach to myofascial release. They can be, a lot of people sort of go at things really hard with them. And while there's times when that's appropriate, I don't tend to recommend things with foam rollers too much. Here is one thing that I do like rolling out. I personally found to be very useful, especially when I have low back pain, especially that low back pain that's right on the sacrum. Now I'm going to clear it up. So in the other video, you're taking a very similar position as you did in the other video that I showed where we were talking about opening things up. But in this case, we're really focusing on the low back. So you arch your back under so that your sacrum is in full contact with the foam roller. And one of the great things about any activity where you're resting on it is you can change your own body weight and as to how much pressure you're putting on. So in any case, you arch your back and you're just rolling back and forth. I'm going to exaggerate it. This is not what I recommend, just so you can see what I'm doing here. But you're just rolling back and forth, and I'm using my feet to stabilize here, and you can use your hands as well, so that you're rolling out the tissue on your sacrum. If you're okay with your head hanging off the edge, you can actually get a little bit more of a stretch this way. It requires the angle might not be comfortable for you, so only do this if it's something that works for you. And you can just gently roll, very similar to the work I do, where I tend to really sink into tissue. It might not even look like it's moving. I just sink into the tissue and rest, and then very slowly move. And what that does is just really opens things up nice and slow. And I've had times where I just had back pain and I wasn't quite sure what to do with it, and just this activity alone, rolling out the low back with the foam roller, seemed to release the back pain that I developed, in this case from sitting in a car for a long period of time. Just really loosened up my hips again and helped to release my low back. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions about foam rolling or anything else, please feel free to leave comments below or reach out to me directly. If you like the video down below, that's helpful. Additionally, if you want to subscribe to the channel, you can get other thoughts of mine and different exercises that I think are worth sharing.